Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. It's a short little tribute to my mom. Her name was Margaret. And not a day goes by that I don't think about her. Here's a few pictures. And just wanting to wish a happy Mother's Day to my daughter, Juliana, and to my daughter-in-law, Rose. Happy Mother's Day. And to all the other mothers out there. Okay, so I am not going to use my pottery wheel today, but I am working on it because it'll be much easier for me to do this beautiful flower today that Camile Amoy does, this Dahlia. And I'm just going to use 3 paints, and I am using a background color of this beautiful Good Night, it's called, and this is a drizzle paint, and that's what I'm using because Camille said to use a premixed paint and something that's really thin, and that's what this is, and that's what I'm going to use in my backgrounds. And I should have thought about this. I think I put a little bit too much down here. In retrospect, I should have just used the pottery wheel to spread the paint. And if at any time you feel the need to fast forward, please do. And where is my torch? Here it is. Get the bubbles out here. Okay. Now the other 2 colors that I'm going to use here. This is called Optimistic Flash. And it's also a premixed paint. Spin drip pour. And it's a drizzle paint. See that? And the other paint is another spin drip pour, and this is called Island Hop. And that's all I'm going to use today. And to make things easy, I put them in my little cups so I can pour this out easily. So here we go. Hope I do this right, Camille. I'm trying my hardest. Whoop. Okay. That's my first. And I know I have to clean my spoon in between. And I'm using a Spork. This is what I tested myself with, so hopefully this will be working fine. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Okay. Well, that was my first go around, and I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to take my skewer. I'm going to draw my lines. I think that's what I'm supposed to be doing to define my petals. I don't know if she waits or I should know. I really should know because I watch so many of Camille's videos. I do watch her every day. But all right, let's try. I'm gonna do a line of pink now. center my pink. And I'll line that out. I'm just barely touching. Oops. Pull this one out a little more. Yeah, there we go. That looks really pretty. I think that looks pretty good. So I hope you're not sitting at home laughing like those two are laughing at me up there, doing this Dahlia here. I'm trying my hardest. I am. Stick around to the end. Don't give up on me yet. You may be pleasantly surprised. Pretty cool. I poured a little too much there. Let's see. Pull this out. Have too much paint down here. All right, well, let's see as we go along. Okay, because it's Mother's Day, I feel I needn't torture you much more, so I'm speeding this up 25 times. As you can see, things are coming along here, so listen to the music. It's not much longer. Enjoy. And in slow motion, I come in and use that stress ball and make a beautiful center. Check that out. Yep. I don't think that's halfway bad. So please let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Is it the perfect Dahlia? Absolutely not. But it's my Dahlia. And it's Mother's Day. And I did this for my mom. So you know what? She is not with me for many, many, many years. I think this is beautiful. Who says we all need to be perfect anyway? And I'm dedicating this to her. So I think it's great. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Of course, because I want to master this a little bit. But I think these drizzle paints are pretty cool to do this. You know, everyone can't get their hands on them. They're, this is a Michaels product. So, but I really like the way it came out. I love that blue background, and I have a feeling that this is going to really dry beautiful because these paints do dry on the shiny side. So I think we're going to have something really nice here. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Camille, let me know what you think. I hope I did you proud. I really tried really hard on this. So this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Be well and stay safe out there. I'll take you in for a close-up for the wet and the dry results. Coming up next. I love that balloons. It worked perfectly in the middle.